This is not a drill. This is not a rumor. This is a signal. Because when a supreme leader goes underground, the world above, the ground above should pay attention. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Atri, and here's what set off the alarms. Reports suggest that Iran's supreme leader, Mr. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, he has moved into a heavily fortified underground bunker in Tehran. Not for routine security, not for any sort of ceremony, but because the threat level has jumped suddenly and sharply. You know why now? Because the military map around Iran, it is changing really fast. US warships, they are moving closer. USS Abraham Lincoln aircraft carrier is sailing towards the region. In fact, advanced US air defense system, they are being repositioned. British fighter jets are deploying to the Middle East now. Now, this is not symbolism, right? This is force alignment. And then comes the Trump factor. Donald Trump had been talking tough. Threats, warnings, red lines. And all of a sudden, a quiet shift. A diplomatic pause on the surface, but underneath, military preparation that are continuing. Which, by the way, raises the tough question here. Is this a tactical U-turn or just a calm before the impact? Iran is reading the signals too here. Iran's message, it is blunt. Any attack will not be limited, will not be controlled, will not stay regional. Iran warns of an all-out war, which, by the way, means more missiles, more proxies, multiple fronts, regional chaos. From the Gulf to the Red Sea to Israel's border. But here's a second fire that is burning inside Iran. While war clouds gather outside, Iran is still facing the unrest within. Nationwide protests, mass arrests, deadly crackdown, growing anger on the streets. Well, the leadership is under a lot of pressure from all the directions right now, and history shows. Regimes feel most threatened when internal unrest meets external force. But coming back to the bunker move, it really matters because this is not just about a personal safety. When a supreme leader goes underground, it means a lot of things. Like the threat is considered real. Intelligence warnings are serious. Decision makers are preparing for the worst case scenario. Bunkers are used when leaders believe that the first strike is possible really soon. And wait, don't miss the global response. Markets are nervous, allies are repositioning, diplomats are scrambling. But yet, the military clock keeps on ticking and ticking. No official declaration, no formal ultimatum here. Just moments, quiet, calculated, and extremely dangerous. In the end, let me give you a scenario. At the crossroad, one path it leads to negotiation, the other one leads to escalation. And when leaders go underground and carriers go forward, history tells us just one thing: the margin for error has almost disappeared. Now watch this space because the next decision will not be announced in speeches. It will be heard in the sound of engines, sirens, and silence breaking.